up, guys? It is the Irvins here again with a long awaited challenge. Okay, they've been steady asking me to do this challenge. I have put it off and put it off and put it off, but this time we're gonna do it. We're gonna do the spicy noodle challenge. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Sit up.
Yeah.
Okay, they made the rules, okay? I don't even know how this goes, but they say whoever drinks your water first loses. Y'all know my tolerance for heat is really, really low. So, I got these noodles from Walmart. So, we gonna get it in. Let's go ahead and add our spice. Oh, it is powder. I thought it was liquid.
To me, it was always liquid.
I saw somebody with some, and they were liquid.
I got it on my arm.
It's okay. Pass me your
So much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mix
put too much in the wrong spot.
How do I do this?
Just mix it around.
It's hard. Oh no!
Keep on getting on.
I don't see how this is gonna be so bad.
So guys, if you want to see more challenges with me and my boys, we did the Bean Boozle challenge before. I think that was years ago, and that was really, really fun. Yeah. But make sure you
Subscribe.
and
Smash the like button.
smash that like button. See, they know. Get in frame, Cameron. See, I'm telling you, you gotta stay in frame. Cedric, that ain't even mixed all the way to the bottom. You see how mine? Need me to help you?
That smells.
It smells good, actually.
It smells horrible.
All right.
It smells like dog food.
It does.
Smells like beef to you.
I didn't say it's
Wait.
beef. I didn't smell it.
All right.
It like beef.
Ready? I really don't want to do it. I really don't. All right. And go. Ooh.
No.
Why you were starting to see my pit fly down?
They are hot. But that's a good flavor.
But flavor.
Camera. Oh my god. That is hot.
I can't.
You can't wimp out that fast.
Dang.
Cedric, you cheating. Eat some. Now this was their challenge.
No.
I done had 2 mouthfuls. Eat them.
I have 4.
I have 5.
I can't wipe myself out. I had to.
You get punishment.
I didn't know it was gonna be that hot.
You ain't eating none.
Yes, I am. I ate a lot.
It's hot.
It's real hot, huh?
You see, it feels like slime in my mouth.
So you got 5?
Okay, now I feel like crying by now.
Ooh, guys, this is hot. Now they eat, what are those chips called?
My throat.
No, what are those?
Takis.
Scoot over.
I'm tearing up.
The heat index is definitely up in the room.
This feels like a ghost pepper.
I ate 4.
You got to finish your noodle.
I don't want to be how many I ate.
The flavor is really good. They did have the other little pack of like, I don't know what it is. I forgot to bring them in so y'all can see.
No.
I also have some bomb pops for after, but look like these wimps
I ain't no him.
aren't even gonna make it.
It's going away. Or is it?
I got ways to make it stop burning.
So you don't have time. See, I'm gonna set a timer. That what should did 5 minutes. Look into the lens to make sure you stay in frame. And I was hungry too.
I've ate 9 by now.
11.
My nose is burning.
My mouth feels like slime.
Hey,
Oh no! Oh no, it's hot. I know it's gonna be this.
It's not that.
Take us get a wing.
We can't.
If you need to drink water, I mean, you're gonna have to tap out.
No, I won't. No.
Come on, let's do this challenge.
So hot.
I have my coldest water bottle here. I'll leave the link to the description box below. I absolutely love this bottle. This is a 64 ounce. I take it to work with me. When I tell you it keeps my drink cold, it keeps my drink cold. This is so tempting.
Let's make it.
Make sure you're looking in the viewfinder to make sure you're in frame.
I can barely eat anymore.
Well, drink
I
your water.
can't tap out. I barely ate any.
Gonna finish it.
If you can you?
Nope.
I barely have half any of it gone.
This is gonna be the shortest video ever. We had like 10 minutes. These are hot. We are not a hot family. I mean, I have hot sauce here and there.
I'm starting to hot.
It's too hot.
Tap out? No.
Better drink
I was
some
just
water.
asking so I could give you your water.
And it's like the more you eat, the
The more
hotter
you
your mouth gets.
The more you breathe, the hotter it gets.
Yeah. It's like I'm like breathing like a dragon here. My nose is running.
My nose is running too.
You guys are weaklings. This ain't even hot.
It is. You barely ate and look at you getting them tiny ounces. I don't want to
It's so hot. The more you eat, the more it goes.
I'm just about done with mine.
I am not tapping out.
The more I go, the more it warms up. I thought it was hot sauce.
Eat out. Yeah.
How's Mom? Ooh, Mama's how we almost done.
Bang, baby.
My lips are hot. My tongue is hot.
My throat is burning. My throat is suffering.
I don't know, y'all.
This is the only second video that is flaming.
I think beef noodle was better than this.
They have a good flavor,
Being blue
but this might be my last bite.
You just drink some water.
It's so hot.
No, but we're going to put in my
Stomach's burning.
My lips are still on fire.
Give me your game. No, I was just doing this. There's nothing came off my lips.
I only have a little more to go, but I ain't gonna be able to do it.
You should finish it while it's gone. While it's there. My tongue. Oh. You tapped out?
No.
I'm not telling you.
Nobody. Nobody.
Cedric had to drink water. I'm about to drink water.
No. My side of my mouth is burning.
I don't see how people. I better do it, guys.
She tapped out.
Now put the flavor.
The water doesn't help. Actually, it's like
Milk helps.
it makes it hotter.
It helps me.
Milk
It
helps.
helps me.
Mama, milk helps.
You ain't have a little baby body.
Aha! I'm not tapping out.
Nope.
We got camera still going, but I doubt he finished that bowl. I ain't gonna be able to do the rest.
Give them more. Give them more.
We don't have many more.
Tap out, family. It'll be over.
No.
Tap out, be over.
That's
I
it
won't
for
tap
me.
out till you tap out.
That's gonna get. It's gonna get more than just 3.
Cannibal!
Yay! Yeah.
Here, boy.
Well, Cameron, you can go grab you one. Nobody.
This works for
This
me.
was quick.
This feels good, but after, my mouth still burns.
I'm rubbing it all over my lips, but it doesn't help.
I feel like Caleb won the challenge.
Yeah.
The baby. But I feel like I won the race. Because I ate more noodles than all y'all.
Do we do that challenge?
I won't do this again. Maybe another challenge.
So what kind of challenge could we do next?
I don't know. Let's ask you guys. What challenge should we do next?
You can post some suggestions in the comment section.
Right.
Spam Takis.
Spam Takis. Oh my goodness.
We ate Takis before. They're not hot that much.
It's nasty to me.
They're nasty to you.
They nasty.
Spam
I
talk.
probably won't like them then. So, alright guys. We're at about 15 minutes, 16 minutes. We failed. This is a fail. Get your hand out your face, Cedric. Alright.
That's good enough. Actually, I could take one more bite.
Ooh, the flavor is good.
You could please put a whole freeze pop in my mouth.
Thank you guys so much for watching with my boys again. I'll see you in the next one.
Don't forget to
Peace
smash the
out.
like button.